Hello everybody, this is Sanjay and you're watching Vision Sanjay. So today let us learn how to get the water drop notch in any Android devices or in any smartphones. Before we start, let's keep three things in our mind: that our smartphone should be of 18:9 ratio. Second thing is smartphone should have round corners. Third thing is bezel smartphone. If your smartphone is not having round corners, you can install the application like round screen application, and you can make your smartphone with the round corners as I have made now. And the third thing is bezel smartphone, because the application which I will be presenting you will work better, will look better in these type of smartphones what I have said you now. So let's don't waste time and start our video. So you have to type Oppo F9 notch. The first application what you get here is the application which gives us the real Oppo F9 notch, or the water drop notch, what we can say. So this is how you get the upward notch is the same, but the phone is not the same, because you know that, I know that. So the application has been installed. Let's open this. So here we go, we have that Oppo F9 smartphone in front of us. Firstly, we have to permit some what we call it, permissions. So I have done this now. So let's start the application now. Here you can see the notch, the cute, the small tiny notch on our smartphone. This looks best and the same as the Oppo F9 Pro or the upcoming Vivo 11 Pro, and this notch can also be present in the OnePlus 6T. So it has not yet been confirmed, but the rumors are there. So I will open in settings so that we get a white background through which our notch can be seen clearly and awesome. So guys, this is for today. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you loved this video, and comment if you have any queries. This is it for today. Thank you.